Hey mini enthusiasts, how you doing? I hope you're all having a great day. The videos should be coming thick and fast. I've got one of those situations that's it's a good situation to have, that I've got far too much footage and not enough time to edit it and get it all uploaded. So that means I've been really busy. I've been really busy on Sprout, really busy on the ERA as well. So we've made loads of progress on that recently, but again, I've got loads of footage. I need to get it all updated. So keep tuned, because videos will be coming thick and fast over Christmas, hopefully. As always, I say this periodically, but thanks to all the new subscribers. There has been loads again lately. It seems to go through phases. I don't know how the YouTube algorithm works and that sort of thing, but all of a sudden I get a big uplift in subscribers, and my videos get shared in browser features, and we get loads of new people in. So if you are new to the channel, if you're watching this for the first time, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. If I think back, it wasn't that long ago I was talking about hitting the 3,000 subscriber mark, and at this rate, I'm, as of sort of now, today, I'll be hitting 4,000 quite possibly by the end of the year, which is just phenomenal to think about. And finally, if you're not a subscriber and you're watching this, please hit the subscribe button. Really, just to keep up with the pace at which things are going. It helps me out, keeps me going. Yeah, the kind comments, the encouragement as we go along, gets me off my bum and out in the garage, even when it's cold and wet, and you know, you don't want to do it, but you feel like, you know, got a channel going, people enjoy watching it, let's get on. So tonight's update, bit of a change. There will be some music in tonight's video because there's quite a lot of sped up time-lapse stuff. I've been having video editing issues. I used DaVinci Resolve. It started mucking around recently and I can't quite get the time-lapse bit quite right for it. So I've had to revert back to Movie Maker, which then doesn't allow you to give background sound over like 4 times speed. So I'm going to add in some music tonight, so apologies if you don't like the music. Please just turn the volume down, and I'll try and get Movie Maker, DaVinci Resolve fixed again, and we can get back with the sounds and that in the background. As I say, difficult to please everyone. A few comments from the previous videos that I've seen. So yeah, the engine, gearbox, subframe are all now there. That's all going to get fully cleaned and overhauled before it goes back in the car. And tonight I just need to get the bulkhead, all the inner wings and everything like that cleaned up and ready for everything to go back in, which, fingers crossed, I've got all the bits. I've been ordering stuff like mad from eBay and Mini Spares, Mini Sport, trying to make sure I've got everything here for over Christmas. So I've got the week off over Christmas. Obviously time with friends and family, but yeah, hopefully I can get in here and get some more progress done on the Mini. So that's enough of me waffling. Sit back, enjoy today's update, and catch you again very soon.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every time I divide all the fractions of my mind, take away all the pain, give myself another day. Give myself another day. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I decide if we'll ever see
seems a little bit worse than it is when you get stuck into it. It's probably about an hour and a half, couple of hours maybe, with a wire wheel, cleaning it up. Obviously it's not finished yet, but all we've done is just got rid of all the loose rust, all the loose paint, sorry, revealing the rust. This is so bad around here because at some stage it's probably had a leak in clutch master, yeah, it'd be clutch master cylinder, or fluid's been spilt. Now this is where the bulkhead insulation is really bad if it's a foam type, because that soaks in to the foam and it keeps it up against the bulkhead. So yeah, it was definitely worth doing. I just need to, I'm going to put cure rust all over it now, and then it will be etch primer, then paint. But the only thing I'm not sure about, well, I know what I need to do. So these bits here have still got to be welded yet, so I can't do them in colour. So I'm gonna do weld through primer on these bits, weld through primer up underneath these lips, which I've cleaned up already. And then before I put normal primer and colour on, I'm just going to mask off these bits here where I'm going to spot weld, because the idea is to put the engine back in, then paint the car, not vice versa. Not going to paint the car first, just because it's the way I need to do it. So yeah, I'm going to weld through primer, mask off the bits that I'm going to spot weld, and under here, then base coat, sorry, primer, etch primer, base coat. I'll probably put some lacquer on the inner wings, and maybe the bottom half of this bulkhead, just for a bit of protection. So the thing is, with an MPI Mini, 98% of that you don't see, so it's almost pointless painting it. And if you look on PL, if you look really closely under the bonnet, it's lovely. The finish under there is just as good as the rest of the car, but it's almost a bit pointless because no one really sees it properly. And I'm going to put bulkhead insulation back on, so you're not even going to see that bit, but it's just satisfaction, peace of mind that you know it's done nicely. Also, I've just cleaned up behind the damper mount here, and that's good. Bit of surface rust top and bottom here, but that's all it is. So I think that's it for the moment. Not sure. See how much video we got in the edit.